Hey everyone, I'm Wes Tate with BELLA+CANVAS. One of our most popular videos is our inside look at our eco-friendly dye house. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Today I'm back at our dye house to give you a different inside look, which is how we brush our sponge fleece to make it so irresistibly soft. If you stay tuned to the end of this video, I'll show you the process of making our sponge fleece fabric from start to finish. Our sponge fleece has raised the bar for expectations on just how soft a sweatshirt should be. The material is sent through our state-of-the-art, eco-friendly dyeing process, just like our infamous heirloom combed and ring-spun cotton products. Once the sponge fleece material has gone through our pre-shrink machines and dryer, it gets moved over to our brushing station. This is actually how the fleece looks to start with. Picture a similar material to a terry cloth or a bath towel. This is the before. Then the fabric is run through this machine where the ceramic tip bristles brush out the material. Our machines are engineered to evenly brush out the material, giving you a smooth and consistent finish whenever you order our sponge fleece. If you'd like some ideas on how to decorate your sponge fleece products, check out this playlist right here for design inspo, tips, and tricks. I'll see you over there.